Good morning. This is Senior Master Ford Technician Jeff Jakes working on your vehicle here for you this morning. Appreciate your business. We'll do a quick video inspection, start underneath the vehicle. One of the concerns on the repair order was that you were noticing a drip from behind the left rear wheel, the left rear shock leaking. It's running down and dripping behind the wheel there. Rear drivetrain is dry, none of the seals are leaking. Front steering and suspension components are good, nothing's loose or worn out. Front brake pads have 12 millimeter left. Coolant level's good. I already topped off the washer solvent. Air filter's in good shape, not very dirty at all. Your battery's rated at 760 cold cranking amps. Engine's dry up top, don't see any leaks. So once again, we appreciate your business. Hope you have a great day.